Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can delete your Epic Games account. In order to delete your Epic Games account, first of all, make sure your device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, you'll need to open up a web browser of your choice. After you open up a web browser, first of all, you need to log in. So for that, type in www.epicgames.com. Now this is going to take you to the official web page of Epic Games. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. So after you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to this kind of interface, or you'll be directed to the home page. So once you're on this page, click on the display name located right on top. As soon as you click on the display name, a drop-down menu appears. From the list, go to Account. Click on Account. This is going to take you to the Account Information or Account Settings page. Right over here, you'll be able to make changes with the information. But if you want to delete your account, scroll down right to the bottom, and right at the bottom, you'll be able to find an article as Delete Your Account. In order to delete your account, you need to click on Request Account Deletion to start the process of permanently deleting your account. Now, deleting your account includes all your personal information, purchases, game process, in-game content, Unreal projects, and Epic Games, all that. Now, if you want to request to delete your account, so your account will be deleted in 14 days, which means that your account will be deactivated. And after deactivation of your 14 days, your account will be deleted permanently. So then to request for account deletion, click on Request Account Delete, which is right at the bottom. And if you're sure about deleting your account, click on Delete Account, or else you can simply contact the player support, which means that you can contact the support team. So I'm gonna go with the delete account button since I want to delete my account. In order to confirm your deletion, you'll need to enter in the code that will be sent to an email. So now open up your email and then check for the confirmation. So as you can see that I received my security code. Now you'll need to copy the security code and then paste it where you actually need. Enter in the verification code. So click on confirm account deletion, and you also need to select a reason since you're deleting your account. So click on this arrow icon and then select a valid reason so that your account can be deleted as soon as possible. So click on continue, or else you can just skip this part as well. You can see that the account has been deactivated. So it will deactivate your account, click on log out button, and now you've successfully logged out as well as deactivated the account, and you'll need to wait until 14 days. After that, your account will be deleted permanently. So in this way, you can delete your Epic Games account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.